Welcome to Mzansi Uncovered, bringing you trending South African stories daily. Please subscribe for daily updates.
We will talk about someone. So the last 3 months, there is only one name who always came back, Lorch, 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 Lorch. Did everyone see what Lorch, the performance of Lorch of the last 2 years? Nobody. He played in Pirates, he was out of the team, they kicked him out. He was happy that Rulani was in Sundowns. He came in Sundowns, he played a few games, finished. They kicked him out also. He went to Morocco, first year. Now suddenly, the last 3 months, he played good. Don't you think that we don't know that? But I don't look at that player from, oh yeah, like Lorch. No. I look, what is his qualities? Offensively, defensively, can he help the team? And when I evaluate that player, I have to say, no, he can't help us. Finished. Done. And then some people can be angry, and some people can call me stubborn and whatever. They do what they want. I just decide. And that's all. And the boys I decide, or the boys I call up, those are the boys I believe in. And they know it. I will never take somebody that I don't, of who I think he will not help us.